Pleiotropy of cytokines. What is cytokine pleiotropy? A cytokine has only one function. B. Multiple cytokines perform the same function. C. A single cytokine has multiple effects on different organ systems. D. Cytokines are released only by T cells. Which of the following cytokines is known for having pleiotropic effects? A. IL-1, B. IL-2, C. IL-4, D. IL-12. Which two cytokines work together to induce fever by acting on the hypothalamus? A. IL-10 and IL-1. B. IL-1 and TN. What is the impact of IL-1 on the brain during inflammation? A. It suppresses the immune response. B. It induces fever. C. It promotes T cell activation. D. It increases antibody production. What is an example of redundant cytokine function? A. TNF and IL-1 both inducing fever. B. IL-4 and IL-10 both suppressing inflammation. C. IL-6 and IL-1 both. Types of cytokines. Which cytokine is classified as pro-inflammatory? A. What is the primary function of anti-inflammatory cytokines like IL-10? A. Promote fever. B. Suppress inflammation. C. Enhance antibody production. D. Stimulate. Which of the following cytokines promotes inflammation? A. IL-10, B. TNF, C. IL-4, D. IL-12. What role do pro-inflammatory cytokines play in an immune response? A. Neutralize pathogens directly. B. Stimulate an inflammatory response. C. Suppress T cell activity. D. Decrease antibody production. Which cytokine is anti-inflammatory? A. IL-6, B. IL-1, C. IL-2. Cytokine storm answers. What condition is characterized by an overproduction of cytokines? A. Autoimmune disease. B. Cytokine storm. C. Allergy. D. Tumor. Which of the following can result from a cytokine storm? A. Sepsis. B. Fever. What marker is associated with poor prognosis in cytokine storms? A. C-reactive protein. B. Procalcitonin. C. Albumin. D. Fibrinogen. Which of the following is a common feature of cytokine storms? A. Increased antibody production. B. Multiple organ dysfunction syndrome, MODS. C. Decreased white blood cell count. D. Hypercoagulation. Cytokine storms can lead to which life-threatening condition? A. Tumor growth. B. Sepsis. C. Autoimmune. What happens when cytokines are overproduced due to infections or trauma? A. Autoimmune response. B. SIRS and sepsis-like syndrome. C. Tumor suppression. D. Decrease in inflammation. Which biomarker is elevated in cytokine storms and indicates poor prognosis? A. Fibrinogen. B. Ferritin. C. Albumin. D. Hemoglobin. Ferritin. Acute phase response. What triggers the liver to produce acute phase proteins? A. Infections. B. Pro-inflammatory cytokines. C. Antibodies. Which of the following is a marker of acute inflammation? A. Albumin. B. C-reactive protein. C. RPC, glucose. D. During acute inflammation, which of the following proteins decreases in production? A. C-reactive protein. B. Albumin. C. Fibrinogen. D. Ferritin.